Hi, hello. Time, if we can move back, it should give me immense pleasure in cherishing the moments together with my Manamama. Mama, I come with so many shades of shared moments together. A static intelligence which keeps changing dimensions every day. You wake up early in the mornings to do your literary works. Whenever I come to Coimbatore, although it's wee hours of the morning, you are always there to receive me, and we will have tea and drive back home. Mama, I come with so many shades of shared moments together. After finishing my college, I was unemployed, distraught, instinctual, and impulsive, searching for job openings, and you found me a job in pharmaceutical company. And I worked for 2 years in it, and again you placed me in Hindustan Motors Limited, Tiruvallur, where I worked for 12 years, unstinted, and seeing me shine in that, you wanted me to enter into business, to prove my mettle there too, and with social anxiety I did so. With your guidance, I excelled, and thanks for your blessings. Mama, you are the only well wisher who brought out the best in me and signified the path of glory and cherished and chiseled my career and revealed me the meaning of existence and joy of life. Mama, I come with so many shades of shared moments together. I still remember when you purchased HMV record player and we listened to the famous Jim Reeves and Cliff Richards songs, and later on the technology improved and you bought a tape recorder and we used to record our voice and listen to it, and you even played from your mouth organ some famous songs from Tamil movies, and we were spellbound listening to it with amazement. Mama, I came with so many shades of shared moments together. One day, while we were speaking over phone, you inquired me about the meaning of existence of body, mind, soul, and spirit, and asked me to clarify. While I was fumbling and flabbergasted about how to go about it, without a research on the subject, I promised him that given time I will study and explain it in a poem, and I did so within a fortnight, and he was so pleased and admired my work on the toughest subject and applauded with lots of appreciation, and as a token of love he bought me a gift, a Kindle Paperwhite, delivered to me by Amazon, which I cherish most, and I am holding it as a souvenir, and that was the last gift and conversation I had with him. Mama, I come with so many shades of shared moments together. There are some gems of advice I learned from you. Peace is more precious than perfection. Not to bother about crease or spot on the shirt. Personality speaks louder than appearances. Learning not to be embraced by emotions. Emotions make us human. It's better to drop ego than to break a relationship. We can't tell what we were an hour before birth, nor what we shall be an hour after death, nor why we were born, nor why we die. And this is the riddle the human race can't find an answer. Mama, I come with so many shades of shared moments together, and this is the one of them. Until we meet again, this topic will be for our debate. Mama, I have learned so many things from you, and I have been walking in your shadows all through my life. And now that you are gone, I couldn't face the light. But now I realize that you are the light. Thank you, Mama, for being with me for so many years and guiding me. Thank you.